And we're live.
Awesome. Hello, everybody. This is Kim from Health and Wellness at Veriha Trucking. Glad you are able to join us. I'm here today in front of the NovoTHOR bed, and I think there's a lot of questions out there, and hopefully today I can answer most of them for you.
Okay. Well, a question I have, what is this thing? It looks like a tanning bed.
It definitely looks like a tanning bed. We get that all the time with all of our new employees. You use it similar to a tanning bed, but I promise you, you will not get tan. So the NovoTHOR bed is red light therapy. And for those of you not familiar with red light, I'm just going to kind of go to a different topic real quick here. When we have babies in the hospital that have high bilirubin, one of the things that they do is they put them under a blue light to help decrease their bilirubin levels.
Okay.
And that's just another way of light helping or healing the body. So blue light heals. We get the sunlight that penetrates our skin, giving us vitamin D. So it's no new phenomenon that light therapy works. This is particular red light and near infrared light. So the way this works is that it does penetrate our skin, just like the sunlight would penetrate our skin. It stimulates the mitochondria in our cells.
Okay.
And what the mitochondria does is it's like the powerhouse of our cells. Mm-hmm. So it is going to work harder to decrease the stress in our body and the toxins in our body and increase ATP, which is energy.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds really cool and interesting technology. Does it cost a lot to use here?
No, not at all. It's actually free to every one of our employees. Veriha invested in this to help with our wellness program to keep people healthy. So I'm hoping that truck drivers, as they come in, to have truck maintenance done, that they search me out and I'll be able to get them started and show them, answer any questions they have and show them how to use it. Once I show you how to use it the first time, then you can use it on your own anytime that you come in.
That's awesome. But I guess I have another question.
Sure.
When it comes to, a wellness program, why would Veriha invest in a wellness program, invest in a NovoTHOR bed? Why?
So Veriha wants to be very proactive with health. In the medical field, sometimes we do have wellness checks, which is awesome. But a lot of times we search out a practitioner because we have an ailment of some sort. Mm-hmm. We have an infection, we get an antibiotic. We have an ear infection, we get an antibiotic. We have a rash, we get a cream to take care of the rash. Mm-hmm. Wellness for Veriha is we're trying to be very proactive and having a healthy framework, building up our immune system, having that good structure within our body to prevent the illness from happening. So we're looking at trying to help people stay healthy and take a proactive approach to it.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Very excited to be part of it, really, because I've worked in, various places and I haven't seen a wellness program like this before. And so we're very unique. Very cool.
What do you got on your paper there? Is that just more information about red light therapy?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you guys are looking for more information and you want me to give a handout to you, I can email this to give you more information. If you guys want to do your research on your own and look up to learn more benefits about the NovoTHOR. NovoTHOR is a name brand product, but it's typically red light therapy. Besides the bed, we also have something called a helmet. So if people are suffering, which is just kind of a helmet that you put on and you get red light therapy that way. It helps with anxiety, depression, PTSD, concussions, headaches, all that kind of stuff. And so it's really, that's up in my office as well. So if people are looking to, have some benefits that way, absolutely come see me. We also have a laser. So if you have an injury of some sort, on the shoulder or elbow, that's maybe a nagging injury, maybe it's a fresh injury, maybe it's an old one that's just not going away. We can help promote the circulation in that specific area to bring more blood flow there, decreases inflammation, which ultimately decreases the pain, helps that cellular repair happen faster. So from the studies that have been shown from using the laser, they've actually been able to decrease some aches and sprains, arthritis, even by 50%, with
Wow.
the healing time, involved. So very, very
That's
cool.
awesome.
I'm excited to have about that. And then also with the laser, we've been using it for smoking cessation as well. So
Yes, we talked about that on a live before with Trisha.
yeah.
And so if someone wanted to come and use this, they would come and see you.
Yep.
And people who have used this, what do they say? Do they love it? Have they seen any good, like you mentioned studies, but have you seen any good results from it?
Absolutely. I think I know every person is different. For me, the very first time I used it, I don't know that I recognized anything. But actually, after the second and third time, I started helping better sleep and more energy for sure. That's one of the big things those are probably the two biggest things that people will see first. And then with more routine use, if people are suffering from like arthritis obviously takes a long time of unhealthy eating or unhealthy behaviors or whatever to build up that inflammation. And typically people start seeing arthritis as they age. But it took a long time to get there, and it's going to take some time to, get better from your arthritic pain. So after routine usage, people are starting to see, less of that. But I would say ultimately, the feeling when you're in there is relaxation. It's warm while you're in there, so it's pretty cool. People want to meditate. You can meditate while you're in there. Again, you will not get tan, but it does feel good to be in there, and you'll start to see your own health benefits from it as you use it. So.
Well, that's really exciting and awesome that all of our VIPs can access this for free.
Absolutely.
All they have to do is come and see Health and Wellness, Kim.
Yeah.
And then anybody can use this. It's really exciting. Thank you for taking the time out of your day for sitting down and giving us a quick lowdown about it.
Absolutely. I appreciate you guys listening and watching out there. And you can find me on my direct number, 715-504-2977. Or if you want to email me, it's kduquesne@veriha.com.
Okay. Awesome. Well, I'm going to hop up.
All right.
And I'm going to end this live.
Have a great day.